The prosthodontics treatment, restoring function and aesthetics using prosthetics. Prosthodontics is a specialization of dentistry that concentrates on the repair and replacement of damaged or missing teeth. This involves using prosthetic appliances like bridges, dentures, and dental implants in order to improve the functionality and appearance of a patient's smile. Prosthodontists are skilled professionals with expertise in the creation of customized prosthetics that appear and perform just like natural teeth. Restoring function. One of the main objectives of prosthodontics is bring back the functionality of the patient's teeth. If a patient suffers tooth loss or loses multiple teeth, it could have an impact that is significant on the ability of their mouth to chew or speak at ease. Dentures and other prosthetics as well as dental implants are made to substitute lost teeth and restore normal function of your mouth. Dental prosthetics are removable devices which can be used to replace a few missing teeth or even an entire arch of teeth. They're custom made to fit the mouth of the patient and appear as natural teeth. Dentures may improve the patient's ability to speak and chew properly and also enhance the overall appearance of their mouth. Implants for dental purposes are another popular prosthetic device that is used in prosthodontics. Implants are tiny titanium posts which are surgically implanted into the jawbone in order to replace missing teeth. The prosthetic tooth, or crown, is connected to the implant, giving a natural and long-lasting alternative to missing teeth. Implants for dental restoration not only improve the functionality of teeth, but aid in maintaining the jawbone structure and prevent dental issues later on. Restoring aesthetics. Alongside improving the functionality of teeth, prosthodontics focuses on improving the appearance of the smiles of patients. Damaged or missing teeth could affect the appearance of a person and their self-confidence. Dentures, prosthetics, and bridges are made to closely mimic natural teeth and allow patients to show off their smiles with confidence. Dentures can be found in various materials such as porcelain and acrylic that mimic the look like natural teeth. The designs can be customized to fit the size, shape, and shade of the teeth to create a smooth, natural-looking smile. Dental bridges are a different prosthetic device that can be used to improve the appearance of a person's smile. Bridges can be used to substitute the missing tooth or teeth by securing artificial teeth on tooth or implants. The bridges are made to fit into the natural teeth to create a harmonious and appealing smile. Choosing a prosthodontist. If you're in need of dental prosthetics, it is crucial to select a prosthodontist with the appropriate expertise and knowledge to offer superior treatment. Prosthodontists receive extensive training to focus on the repair and replacement of missing teeth. They are able to design custom-made prosthetics that can be customized to meet the specific requirements of every patient. In selecting a prosthodontist, it is important to look at the qualifications of their experience, education, as well as their reputation. Choose a dentist that is board certified and has an established track record of treatments that have been successful. Also, it is important to set up a consult with your prosthodontist in order to talk about the goals of your treatment and what you prefer to have. Conclusion. Prosthodontics is a key component in the restoration of functionality and appearance of the smile. Dental prosthetics such as dentures, bridges, dental implants can be custom designed to substitute damaged or missing teeth. They allow patients to chew, talk confidently, and smile. If you're in need of dental prosthetics, it is crucial to select a prosthodontist that can offer the treatment and knowledge you require. Through prosthodontics, it is possible to restore your smile as well as improve the quality of your life overall.